properly taped English cross. So Lords, Legends and Chaps. Let's unbox this one from Lords Club. So Chaps, just to give you a little bit of context, I wasn't bribed by the Lords Club. I had to actually purchase this parcel with my own hard and smart and money. So there's going to be a very honest review, and I'm going to try to make it as detailed as possible so you can understand the legendary quality the Lords Club is, and I hope you guys gonna purchase from this brand in the near future. So I'm gonna pop in a link below this video where you can go directly to their website so you can see what's on offer. Lords Club is an absolutely legendary brand with a founder that actually has a class. ASMR effect. Am I the only person who unboxes things with scissors? Ooh. There we go. This looks well presented. Thank you, Your Grace Jory. So Chaps. Ooh. Oh my gosh. You guys, there is a secret message. I can't wait to read this. I honestly can't wait to read this. I spoke to Joey a couple times on his live stream, so I'm really curious what's in this parcel. A letter from his great Joey Harris. Let's look what's inside. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Happy holidays. It's a holiday card. The Lords Club. These are such lovely pheasants. Isn't it cute? Thank you for supporting our brand this year, and we wish you a very Merry Christmas from the Lords Club team and signed by the legend himself, Joey Harris. There is another card in here. Before I remove it, I want you to see the entire beautiful execution of this masterpiece. Look, isn't that beautiful? The Lords Club original box. And you get that cute little card in there. So let's have a look at the card. Cambridge Collection. You see this beautiful Lords Club logo. Let's move on to the actual parcel. Judging this ribbon detail in here, I'm convinced that His Grace Joy is a big fan of tweed. Lords Club. I got the navy one. Beautiful display. These are the cute You Legends. I got 2 pairs of pheasant socks in here. Look how cute they are. If you are a peasant or working in the office, there's the one you need to wear. So Chaps, look at this pheasant. It doesn't have a beak, but this one does. Actually a duck. I think it's a pheasant. This green one has a beak. Actually, you guys, it actually has a beak, but because the color is navy and the beak is black, you can't see it properly, but it has a beak. I'm a business legend and I'm still gonna wear them anyway. Very legendary. The Lords Club bottle opener. Great for summer parties in Buckingham Palace. Oh, I love this. Isn't it cute? Navy. That's my color. Very nice detail actually, so you can adjust your size. I'm probably gonna ruin my hairstyle, but never mind. Judging the quality, it's superior. Cotton, 100% cotton actually. Machine washable at 30 degrees. Who is using a washing machine, do a hand wash if you need to. Or the Marks and Spencer one, stain removing one if you need to. Very pleased with this one. I can't ruin my quiff today. Oh my gosh, I love it. Absolutely love this brand for their legendary loafers that are really great value on money. No compromises, Chaps and Legends and Lords. Next time you're attending a Buckingham Palace summer party, make sure you wear driving loafer from Lords Club. You deserve to feel legendary, okay? My wardrobe might need a driving loafer. So if someone's looking to sponsor me, I can do a beautiful review. If you want to send me a loafer or an item for a review, let's do that because we got a deal. If you enjoy this kind of lifestyle content, you guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making more reviews. Sponsorship wanted. You know, I'm a very entrepreneur legend. If you want to do any partnerships, I'm very much open to collabs, sponsorships and anything in between. So make sure you reach out, and you can find contact details on my website. Legends. People used to pay £1,000 for pineapples just to demonstrate their power and influence, because pineapple is such a status symbol and you can see old portraits of people. So Legends, I hope you enjoyed this legendary video of mine. Make sure you hit the double thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So Legends, just to give you a little bit of additional context, I enjoy creating personal development content, focus on growth as well as lifestyle, because you ultimately got to treat yourself in this personal development journey. Lords Club is one of those brands you need to check out. The link is below this video. Just to give you a little bit of context on the Lords Club, their bestseller is their driving loafers. Give him legendary Joy a follow on TikTok. Not gonna lie, I know so many legends from Essex. You guys, happy holidays! Shall we end this video? with a pheasant dance. I'm joking, okay? It's not a holiday season, we are in the summer. So chaps, give us a comment below and make sure you shop at thelordsclub.com. Thank you so much for everyone watching this video. See you later, and hopefully I will get to review more items from the Lord's Club. The Lord's Club is a family-run business based in Essex, and you guys, there are so many well-dressed legends here in Manchester, so I think Lord's Club has a very strong opportunity in here. So come on, let's do more reviews. I'm based in Manchester. You guys, I get to see so many well-dressed chaps in Manchester. Your wardrobe needs a driving loafer, so check thelordsclub.com.